There it is. So those are the TW250s in great demand. Those are back in stock. However, the security certificate on the website recoilaudio.com has expired, and so Chrome and other browsers will freak out and just click advanced and then proceed to the website. It's fine, it's safe, and then you should be able to check out there. We want to try to sell those out before we have to ship them to Amazon, just to get those done, and it helps us make a little bit more money. If you need them through me, that's fine too. TW250, I'll put the link in the description. And then the other one was the 4-gauge 6-channel wiring kit, which is, I think I have them here. No, I think they're on the other side. It's, I'll put a link on the website, or a link on the description as well. That's the RCK46, which is a 4-gauge, and then it's got a 6-channel RCA, which is really nice. Those are good on their own as well. They're really affordable. And then, what I do is, on the Amazon returns, is we split them into pairs, and then I pair them up with other wire kits and stuff like that. So that's another way to do it for your shop or your home or your install or whatever. Instead of buying 3, 2-conductor or two channel RCA things. So, but we're almost done with the container. I'll do a full review video. And I'll grab a case of the TW250s and then also the 6-channel 4-gauge kit. Again, RCK46. So, love you guys.